Hey, we're here with the Lenovo, and this is the Lenovo Legion Go 2. This is still in the prototype stage. This isn't even being sold yet, but this is the new version of the Lenovo Legion Go handheld gaming PC. So the biggest change to this thing is inside. Under the hood, this has an AMD Ryzen Extreme Z2, which was just announced, which is faster, more powerful, more energy efficient. All that's going to translate into better gaming. But not all of the changes are internal. There's also some external things here. You can see they've added some buttons here. They've changed the D-pad to a circular button instead of just a cross shape. Another couple buttons here. I think they've done some fine tuning on the analog sticks. And these are detachable controllers as well, complete with the touchpad, the buttons, side buttons, back buttons, trigger, shoulder buttons, buttons galore. Now at this point, we've got the original Lenovo Legion Go, we've got the new Lenovo Legion Go S, both in Windows and Steam flavors, which we've seen here at the show. But now this, the prototype Lenovo Legion Go 2, is going to be the best of the bunch with that new faster hardware. It's not on sale yet, but it probably will be soon. I'm Brian Westover with PC Mag. This is the Lenovo Legion Go 2 prototype, and we're here at CES. We're going to be here all week showing you the latest tech and the latest stuff from all the manufacturers, so stick with us all week long.